Most people avoid yield farming because it's too technical or risky. But Sensi makes it as easy as a click of a button. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. All right, guys, so this is the landing page of Sensi. Link to this will be in the description of the video. It is transforming DeFi farming by making it super accessible, efficient, and very sustainable for everyone. And the best part is that there is no technical expertise that is required for you to learn this. Now, it is designed for ease of use, and Sensi is eliminating the usual barriers to entry in yield farming, which is enabling even beginners to participate confidently. And guys, the user's funds are automatically distributed across a curated selection of 10 to 20 high-performing farms. And that is super duper easy and efficient, guys. And that is actually one of the best things that I really love about Sensi, is that it provides exposure to multiple income streams without the need to manually manage or research each of those. Now, risk is intelligently minimized through diversification, in which spreads exposure and reduces the resilience on any single farm. So in addition to that, guys, every withdrawal from the platform triggers a buyback of the Sensi token, and it directly reinforces the token's market value, and it aligns the user's actions with the long-term ecosystem strength. And one more thing, guys. Sensi ecosystem goes further with features that enhances returns and usability as well. So thanks to the automated rebalancing, users now will be able to earn up to 70% APY, and as capital is constantly optimized for best available yield. Now, depositors are represented by unique NFTs, which acts as verifiable and tradable tickets, and these can actually be viewed or exchanged on Sensi's dedicated NFT marketplace, which is adding a layer of transparency and liquidity for us. Now, unlike inflation-prone protocols, Sensi sustains its models through the real external revenue sources. Now, this is ensuring ongoing rewards without diluting the token's value. And that is actually one of the main problems of the previous cryptocurrency projects that have been there, that went up but suddenly come crashing down. So guys, in a rapidly evolving DeFi landscape, Sensi is standing out by combining the simplicity, the smart automation, and the economic sustainability into one very powerful platform. And of course, guys, just like what I always tell you, you got to make sure that you are doing your own research. That way you would know what you're getting yourself into, and so you could also make informed decisions when you are going to be investing. So you have all information here in their website. You have this, guys. This is their white paper. I would strongly suggest that you start off with this because it has a lot of information that would definitely be very, very helpful for you to get to know them better and see, what are the value propositions that they are offering that would make your investment worth it, right? Okay, so you can go ahead and check this one out. It's a 47-pager, and make sure to follow all the social media platforms. That way, when they have updates, announcements, airdrops, giveaways, anything and basically everything about the project, you will always be informed. At the bottom of the page, you have all the links. So you have the X, you have Instagram, and you also have their Telegram page. Go ahead and check those out. And guys, of course, if you're new to the channel, hopefully you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That will always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.